guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm looking a mess because you know what, I just cleaned a mess. So thankfully I am doing a kind of clean out. You guys have probably seen a couple of things in my vlogs, but now I decided to cut it out into its own series, and that way I can you know, do each section, right Dini? So we are going to do my bathroom now. He doesn't love me. You only want to be in the video and disturb, but you don't want to give me kisses? Okay. So I will go ahead and show you the cleaning aspect, and then at the end, you guys get to see the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, this is what we're working with. So this always stays out because I don't know why. But I'm gonna go. Don't judge me. I guess you can't really see that, so that's in my favor. So yeah, let's go ahead and start dealing with this.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head. And
Okay, so we made it through all the hair extensions. So this is my most used one, which, you know, it happens. But I pretty much only wear like the bottom pieces, so they're like actually up there in this drawer. But I think I'm gonna actually wash these ones. The other ones like I haven't used, like these lighter ones up here that are normal, I haven't used except for a couple times. And then I have tape-ins I haven't used. Then I had my really blonde clip-ins, which I used for like a little bit. And then I bought these guys a little bit ago. Like they're, you put them in and they are just like beads, which I use a lot of. However, I don't have blonde hair anymore and I don't think I need to keep those around, but I am going to wash these ones. And then I do have a bag of all like the stuff I use, so I just keep everything in this bag, which I think I'm just going to put on top. There's more hair in here. Colored hair, lighter hair, dark hair. Okay, maybe the dark hair. I don't know, this is kind of so I'm gonna have to deal with it.
honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself. Disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated.
Okay, so this is kind of probably where I'm gonna leave it. I did address this a long time ago, and I probably could readdress it, but I feel like I did pretty good with this, my palette. So I'm feeling pretty confident with how that is coming out. I think I will probably do something, not with that, the things that are rested right here. But as of right now, I think it's pretty good. Okay, this is my husband's side, and it has essentially all my crap in it. So let's
These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Okay, I have tried to organize these drawers like a million times, and let's just say it is what it is. So let's do top down. That way you can kind of see what I'm doing, I think, the best.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Find me in the corner.
Okay, so I think I have finished as much as I'm going to do in here. I think this may be the only drawer that's like, eh. Like, I didn't really organize it too hot. Sorry, you are uneven. So we'll see what that ends up being. I think it may just end up being larger containers here in a minute, but that's what it's gonna be for right now. I have to dress the top of my bathroom, and this is, I'm gonna show you, this is what it looks like 90% of the time, okay? So I definitely will have my stuff over here. I don't really have too much. This stuff is new, so that's why it's like there, but I have to clean it. I haven't cleaned it since last weekend, and then it's pretty much what this looks like. I may end up getting like makeup and stuff on it, or like I'll leave like that there, you know, real life. And then we have Mike's side. So I am going to clean this now.
Of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for somebody.
All right, so this is Mike's side of the bathroom, and then we back up and we come to my side. So my side, I like to keep pretty plain. These things are new, so I tend to have them out. But like I said, I don't really like things on my counters, like at all. But if you are with me throughout the week, this will be covered. That's why I think I don't like things on my counters, so I can put stuff on my counters. Does that make sense? So yeah, we really don't keep anything. This is like his shaving stuff, like hair gel, cologne, you know, dental. Then we have some lotion and face wash. And you know, nothing too spectacular. And then this was the section that I did in the video, and I'm gonna explain how I have it. It's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. It is good enough for me. So this is a mirror that I take out, but this is kind of probably a better look at it. So those extensions I have to wash, and then they'll probably go in here or maybe a different one. This stuff down here was the extra stuff and all my hair dyeing kind of things, like utensils, like brushes, the actual dye, and then a whole bunch of other stuff that I use. Then these are all extensions. This is travel, so I have like a mini lotion in there. I have all the bottles that are perfect size. Then I have our travel cases for our toothbrushes, and then here is like necessities that I would reach for more often. Contacts, extra toothpaste. We have some, whatchamacallits, bobby pins, teeth whitening, extra sticks. And then these, I haven't decided what I'm doing with them yet, so I kind of just have them out there, but they're still kind of organized. Then I have my beauty products as far as like face stuff, and then mostly hair. I would say this is mostly hair. I have a couple face things, and then I have extras back there. And then I have a small amount of makeup that I have back there that I had purged, and then that's kind of like what's left of it. If you were with me a year ago, you would have seen all that, and that still has been untouched since that purge video. So I have my palettes up here, and tampons, because that's exciting, and then just some extra stuff down here. So that is the inside of my cabinet, and hopefully it works out really well for me. And that goes there. All right, so let's move on to this top drawer. This isn't as organized. I will go ahead and let you know. I do have these organized when I use them, and then they turn into this. So I'm kind of just leaving this as is. This probably needs to be redone. It almost should be like these in the middle. You know, it is what it is. This was probably the biggest change in a drawer. This stuff just used to be everywhere. Now it's contained. This is stuff that I don't know what to do with yet. And then like I have extra eyebrow pencils back there, my glasses, and lipsticks that I actually do use. So then I have my hairbrush. I have scissors and pens and things that stand up straight. Brushes that I'm currently using that I need to clean. And then just the makeup stuff that, again, I purged almost a half trash bag full of makeup. So I keep things that I'm actually going to use, and I have been using that method the last 2 years, the last 4 years with clothes. So I'm getting there. I'm trying to get the rest of my life onto that track, so we'll see. So that is that drawer. This drawer is a little different. This is all the heating products that I have. Hair dryer, 2 curlers, one is barrelless, one is not. And then my waver, this is my travel makeup. And then this is just a bunch of cords, a couple little things that I need to keep, but I don't want to keep them up here. Okay, we're making it towards the end. This is the under of Mike's. So every single product he owns is up on top of his counter. So I take over this section. So we have our towels. I always keep our towels in here. There's some behind us, and then we have toilet paper. We have the few cleaning supplies that we use, like for our shower, toilet, Drano. Unfortunately, 2 things of paper towels for some reason. And then over here, We have duplicates, toothbrush stuff, extra razors, more toothbrush stuff, some soap, extra deodorant, some loofahs, some baby wipes. So I like to have a lot of everything. But yeah, so that is the bathroom right here. I love it so much.